Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
We don't do no scamming on the STOLN channel, you feel me? We promote. Alright y'all boys, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another smooth POV for y'all boys. I need to start saying boys and girls. I know it ain't just boys that watch this channel. As y'all can see by the title, this is a Hellcats and Glock switches vid. Now this is not clickbait, you feel me? I'm gonna show y'all once I get in the car. We riding a little risky today, you feel me? But it's cool though, bro. It's a risky day anytime you hop in the cats. Make sure y'all boys go follow the IG, man. Show some love to the STOLN cat. My numbers on this channel been doing good, man. I appreciate y'all for the support. Make sure y'all keep running it up. But that's enough talking. We're gonna get straight into it.
I heard they want me dead, TK ain't scared, my Glock's only one like Dion. I got a 10 in the driver's seat, I pick up more, hit the ATM. Pimp strong, I break a hoe like Uncle E, go catch a simp. Me in the game, got...
As y'all boys can see, man, we go G19X with a button on the back. You know I had to get a yellow, you feel me, a yellow button. A black and yellow button, you feel me, match the theme a little bit. They ain't had no tan. But yeah, man. This thing look even better with a button on the back. I ain't gonna count. Our first step of the day, I gotta stop by the bank, pull some bread out. After that, you feel me? It's free game from there. Just know if 12 hit them lights, bro, this brake is not getting touched. You feel me? Gotta get up out of there. All right, let's go ahead and rock out. I'm not gonna lie, I've had plenty of people ask me, STOLN, how are you affording these gas prices? Gas ain't cheap. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all about a way you can make some extra money off from your phone that is 100% legit. A lot of people feel like this is too good to be true, so let me break it down for you so you can understand how it works and why they can pay you for just playing games on your phone. Free Cash works with app games to help them find new users like you. These apps and games are willing to pay for new users because a lot of the users actually end up liking the game and end up making the apps money once they play the games for a while. Free Cash helps put some of that money back in your pocket as they share some of what they get paid back to you. I'm telling y'all, it's real simple. If you already like playing games on your phone, you might as well go ahead and sign up. And the sign up process is simple. You can make a completely free account with nothing but an email and password. It's not a way to get rich quick. You can make $10 to $20 playing games that you already like, or try some new ones. This is 2026. This is one of the best ways to make some side cash for real. And if you're really dedicated on it, you can make over $200 on some. But like I said, it's completely free to try. Scan the QR code or click the first link in the description and check it out to make some extra cash. Pay for some of this gas. You can go ahead, Grandpa. I may got button on me, but I still got heart. Stupid ass. Bro, I realize like I be having hella catchphrases that I say in my vids. Like it'll be the same few lines that I say, bro. Like I be sounding like a robot. Oh shit, I be sounding like AI. This is AI though. Like everything you seeing is a green screen. Bro, I gotta start using like that phone mount, bro, so my phone don't keep falling. I'll be having to look at the preview, make sure the angle right. Hey, what Scrooly G said? As soon as I tap that button, he couldn't even duck it, he couldn't even shoot his pole. Oh shit, there go TRX. You can hear the whine on that too. He was barely on the gas. You can hear the whine. Hey, bro, like I said on one of my old videos, bro. I think it was the first ever gun video I did. I was like, what I said? I was in my scat pack. I was like, y'all boys, what? I was like, y'all boys blow this video up so I can give me a Hellcat. And y'all did exactly that, bro. Now I'm in a cat. So I'm gonna go ahead and start manifesting it now. Y'all boys blow these vids up that I'm dropping, you feel me? So I can go Z06 and cat, you feel me? My car choices for like adding to the fleet, you feel me, having a second car, is M4, the newer one specifically, like 2021 and up. 2017 through 2019 Z06, a Trackhawk, and I think that's it. I'm leaning more on the Z06 though than the other two. Spinning through all the gears, boy. Bro, hit the gas a little bit. Scat pack. And another thing too, I feel like YouTube wise, it ain't a lot of YouTubers. I feel like it's less YouTubers with a Z06 than it is a M4. Y'all boys keep growing this channel though. It's gonna happen sooner than you think, you feel me? But just know I ain't selling this cat though, bro. The cat gotta stay in my fleet. Shawty can't catch grip, bro. I need some new tires. God damn, boy. That car wasn't there, bro. If it wasn't a line of cars, I would have dogged the turn. And also, you can tell by how I drive, like, a M4 wouldn't be able to survive the beating a cat can take, but I feel like a Z06 can. So I feel like it just made more sense to go Z06. Folks don't know how to drive, bro. Speed limit be 45. Why are we going 35? Bro, my phone fall again, bro. It's gonna be some problems. Careful, these little corporate businesses be having 12 posted outside, so I can't do too much. These folks gotta get out of the way, bro. Like, I'm always stuck behind a slow driving person every POV, bro. And I be saying slow, they really be going the speed limit, bro. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, bro, I get 155 miles on a full tank. I just filled up at the start of this video, now I'm at 142, bro. Like, that don't make no sense at all. I have not been dogging that much. Bank crowded as hell.
Young nigga giving out somebody bigger for what you did, might kill you real. I don't even flow, but the young niggas in my hood ain't little, they kids still. Nigga be real, that Glock is took, give me that glizzy still. Free the bro, they on the way, they stand on business now.
Alright, so I forgot the ATM definitely don't let you take out more than 1,000 in cash. So I had to go inside, but you feel me? Good coins, good coins. No, I am not a scammer, bro. I'm a legal working man. We don't do no scamming on the Stolen channel, you feel me? We promote positivity only. Alright, let's get back on the road. Bro, if I see one more C8 that's like 100% stock, like nothing done, bro, I'ma get mad. C8's got so much potential, bro. It just be the stock ones, you feel me? The stock whatever it's called, the stock Stingrays, bro. They be ruining it for the rest. I'm gonna have to get in front of you, Miss Man. So you gonna have to just stay right up while I dog this bitch. That bitch can barely get off the line. I smell nothing but tire smoke, bro. And I be wondering why every 2 weeks I gotta get some new tires. And if y'all wondering why I still ain't got no sun visors or nothing up, I'm gonna take this headliner back down to put stars in. So I just didn't feel like bolting everything back up, just to take it back down and then put it right back up. Bro, come on, dude, like. Damn wind messing me up. You know the cats don't like to do them turns, you feel me? So we gotta be careful with that. No signal, just gonna get over slowly. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot to mention, if the feds is watching this, just know this switch is completely fake. This switch is literally held on by tape. This is off of eBay, by the way. There's nothing done to the back of this Glock, as you can clearly see. This is a stock 19XV. This switch, there's a piece of tape on the back to hold it on. This is not a modified gun at all. This is all for entertainment, bro. Think of it as a movie. Money legal, the whip legal, the gun's legal, the switch is fake. cannot be this much traffic at 2:30, bro. Like, where's everybody gotta go? Y'all ain't got nowhere to be. And then y'all just be taking up the left lane, braking, bro. Like, this finna blow me. Clear it is up here, bro. Like, traffic is literally like the dumbest thing to ever exist. It shouldn't exist. Get a quick pull in, quick little 60 roll. Just pretend it's a downpipe tuned E85 M3 right here, bro. And I'm finna walk him. 1, 2, 3. Feel me, bro? These beamers are cakewalk, bro. He's all the way back there, trust. Scat pack. God damn, boy. Dog in the tunnel. And for the rest of this job, it's gonna be nothing but cops, bro, on this long 2-lane road, bro. My homeboy just got a ticket on this same. Appreciate that. My homeboy just got a ticket on this same road, so you feel me? We ain't even gonna take no risk, bro. My insurance don't need to go up. I appreciate y'all boys for checking this channel out, though. Make sure y'all boys go follow the Instagram. Make sure y'all boys subscribe, you feel me? On the road to 20K, we almost there. We an inch away from 20K. But I'll catch y'all boys in the next one.
I'm trying to pop a op, you trying to pop a pill. If I can't put you to